Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's topic will be on how to maintain your bike even in quarantine as well as in day-to-day life. So without wasting any time, we will directly go to the bike, guys. So this is the actual condition of the bike, guys. Right now, all the dirt, grease, oil has been situated on the bike. It's in terrible condition right now, I must say, because the bike hasn't been washed like from last 2 to 3 months. The paint has been chipped out from the rear grab handle. All the dirt has been situated to the engine also. Just see, this is the terrible condition of the bike, guys. Just look at it. And the front mac wheel has been also situated with the fork oil. I don't know, might be like some engine oil has been sprayed out. And just see the condition of the engine also. It has been faded. All the dust and dirt has been deposited on the bike very beautifully. You can just see, this is the before condition. Just see, guys, all the speedometer has been covered in dirt. The rear mac wheel also has been covered in dirt and mud. Just see, guys, the silencer, mirror, headlight, suspension, disc, front mac wheel, everything is like in terrible condition. I must say. So right now I will just show you in the later on video how we will just clean the bike. First, now we'll clean the bike with the soapy water. I will recommend you to please use microfiber cloth. Right now I'm using like a normal cloth only. It's totally upon like from person to person choice. You can use microfiber cloth or sponge, or I'm just using a normal cloth. I will recommend you to use microfiber cloth only, guys. So first, the normal step, the first stage, which is like normal cleaning with soapy water, shampoo, anything you have. But I would recommend you to please use car shampoo or car liquid, which is like a 3am car shampoo. I will recommend you that only. Right now don't have, due to lockdown, or every shop has been closed, so I'm using like a normal shampoo. But my recommendation will be like 3M car shampoo, anything like that. It's not sponsored video, but I will recommend you that only. So first stage, just like a normal cleaning with water, shampoo. That's it. Properly clean all the bike. Just cover all the areas of the bike, guys. I'm just giving you a proper idea. I know you will do it more better than me. So right now all the foam has been situated. Now we'll just clean it. Please properly clean the swing arm, because this is the main area where oil and grease has been situated. I'm just using a normal brush. Just see. Properly clean each and every part, guys, because this bike hasn't been washed like from several months. I will recommend you to please do such kind of cleaning once in a month, guys. The bike needs it very most. And please use brush on the normal parts. Do not use it on the bike body like tank, the headlight, all the main areas. Do not use it. I'm just using on the like down surface, because this is the area which all the oil and grease have been situated. Properly cleaning the silencer, the engine cowls. That's it, man. So this is after condition. The bike has been properly cleaned. You can just see it shines like anything, guys. Has been cleaned properly. Now the next stage will be, we have to clean this bike with the rubbing compound. You can use it any rubbing compound of any company, 3M or Liquid Moly or Botamax. I'm using like a normal brand which is easily available to any paint shop. This step is very much necessary. Once in a month it is necessary for maintaining the bike color, because it will give like a proper shine, and it will be clean all the like hairline scratches from your bike. Just see guys, it will give you like a proper shine to your bike, like next to a factory finish. Just see, I'm using here a sponge because I don't want to scratch by using like my hand or my fingers. This is the proper method, by using a sponge. In case if you don't have, you can use like normally apply with the hand, and this is how it looks after applying on the whole bike. Now you have to clean it with the dry cloth. Again, I'm using this cloth. I will recommend you to use microfiber. I know what I'm doing, that's why I'm using a normal cloth. If you want you can use it microfiber cloth also guys. Just clean it very properly. And it will give you like a shine like anything guys, like a mirror like finish. It will remind you like when you're taking the delivery from the bike, it will give you a shine from that daylight. Just see guys. Now we have to take care of the engine, because right now after cleaning also there are some parts have been faded out, so I will recommend you to cover that part with the spray paint, like normal matte black spray paint, which is easily available to your nearest hardware. All these things are you have to just keep with your home only, because this is like a regular maintenance only. Once in a month you can do it. Spray paint, rubbing compound, wax polish, liquid wax polish, all these things I will recommend you to please keep handy only, like because month by month it will require you to maintain the bike, and this will give you like a very mirror like finish to your engine as well as to your vehicle. So this is like a touch-up paint which you can use it on the engine surface, because all the heat and all the dust show the age on the engine guys. So this will like give you proper shine and like a proper finish to your vehicle. Touch-up paint is very much necessary. So I will show you some after result after applying the paint. So this is the other side, and I will show you afterward the another side also. Right now I'm not covering all the area, because right now I'm very much used to it. If you have any hesitation, or if you are thinking that I will not able to do it, do not think twice. Just cover the surface with the paper and the masking tape and apply the paint. Okay, and this is another side. Again I'm warning you guys, properly cover all the surface. Right now I'm doing, because I'm doing on like a regular basis, that's why I know what I'm doing. I will recommend you to please cover all the surface. That's it guys. Now this is the after result. Can you see all the rust and all the dirt deposit has been carried away. Painting the engine, I'm painting the rear grab handle bar. It's a normal touch-up paint because the paint has been chipped out, so I thought to cover this also, and this paint will give it proper result to it. And do not forget to mask the properly to the other side, because there are chances the paint might get sprayed on the bike body. And this is after result guys. And the hero of the video right now I'm doing a ceramic coating on the bike. I will tell you later on the brand name. It's normal ceramic coating which is available on the Amazon, which is known as 9H ceramic coating. And I guess there are many videos on the YouTube, and I don't have to tell anything about it, because the ceramic coating is right now very much popular to giving a shine on the bike. The ceramic coating doing nothing but more than it will give you like a glass shield finish to your bike, and it will like protect your bike from any like scratches, like hairline scratches, not bigger scratch. Obviously the paint will get chipped out, so the nothing ceramic coating will also do on that. Right now I'm using, because this it will give you like a proper protection, like if the water falls, it automatically it will be goes down, it will not stays on the particularly engine and as well as on the bike body. Right now I'm not applying onto the engine, I'm just applying on the bike body, guys. You can just see, apply it very nicely. Right now I have done 2 coatings on the bike. Actually you can do it one also. Right now I have not washed the bike, that's why I'm doing it like a second coat on it, and that's why previously I have cleaned the body with the rubbing compound, because after washing rubbing compound is necessary, and then only you can apply the ceramic coating, guys. Apply it very nicely, gently, take your own time. Okay guys, so this is the proper method, and you have to cover this bike with this method only. Be gentle, be nice, take your own sweet time to do this process. So the main purpose of creating the video that I want to share, that how to take care of your bike, not in quarantine as well as in normal days also, because this kind of pampering bike requires a lot, and it will be help you to keep your vehicle for longer days. And please enjoy the cinematic shot, guys.
All in when I show up, whole place about to blow up. Superior to that competition, I'm in first place, yeah, that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up in the place. I was born and when I watched me elevate. When I watch me elevate.
So please like, subscribe and share to my channel, Switesh Achareka.